I just got this Amazon Basics shredder today, so I wanted to give you all a quick look at how this works. Aside from the owner's manual, this is all that comes in the box. And what I like about this shredder is that not only will it work for paper, but it's strong enough to shred credit cards and even CDs. Right here is where you're going to shred your CDs. You just lift the tab up right here, and then down at the bottom is where you can shred your paper or your credit cards. This also has an arm that can extend quite a bit to fit most trash cans, so that's definitely a plus. And this is very easy to use. When you slide the tab to the forward position, the shredder stays on continuously. The auto position will keep the device turned on, but won't start shredding until it senses the paper. Of course, the off position turns off the device. And the reverse position you would use if something were maybe to get stuck and you want to reverse the item to get it out. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. I have it in the auto position. We'll just add some writing paper here. And as you can see, the shredder just eats that up very fast. And I'm just shredding one paper at a time, but this shredder should accept up to 8 sheets of paper at a time, which is great. Now let's go ahead and try this thicker plastic card here. And look at that, the shredder has no problem taking down plastic cards. And here's what the aftermath looks like. I gotta say, the shredder works great. It's compact. I like that it extends to fit most trash cans. It's easy to use. Overall, I think I'm really gonna like this one, and I recommend checking it out.